Dinosaur fossil animation is one of the Barefoot computing programming activities, and it targets the Key Stage 2 Programme of Study statement to use sequence in programs. The concepts this activity covers are algorithms, sequence, programming, abstraction, and debugging. In this activity, pupils create an animation of a dinosaur fossil being formed in Scratch. But before they do that, the first thing they do is they write the algorithm for their animation. Pupils then implement their algorithms as programs in Scratch as they create their animations. And the Scratch file available to download to go with this activity opens with some commands to help pupils get started. So for example, the first step in pupils' animations might be to display the picture of the dinosaur dying, and to also show some text to go along with that. For example, I'm adding in here a dinosaur dies and their body falls to the ground. People can then also change how long that text is displayed for to give people a chance to read it in their animation. The next step in their algorithm might be to show the image of the dinosaur being buried. So we can use another switch costume to command and choose the dinosaur buried image. And then after that, they might get their program to wait a second before displaying some more text about what's happening in the animation. The main focus as pupils are creating their animation is that they've got the right sequence of commands in their program so their animation plays out in the correct order. This is one example of how the code might look for pupils' completed animations. And if we click the green flag, we can watch the animation play out in the stage area. And for all of the Barefoot computing activities, including this one, we provide a lesson plan for the activity, which you can see here. This is on the website. And if you scroll down to the bottom of the lesson plan, we also provide all of the resources that you and your pupils require to complete the activity. So we can see these here available for download. And they include a presentation to go along with the activity, support sheets, extension sheets, and also the Scratch files. So here we can see the dinosaur animation Scratch file open, and it comes loaded with the images that pupils need to make their animation. So this is just one example of the many activities which are available to download for free from the Barefoot Computing website, www.barefootcas.org.uk. If you go to the website, after a quick registration, you can access all of the activities for Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2, as well as all of the Teach Yourself concept resources, which cover computational thinking and computer science.